Vikings. Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth without all the chafing from your skin. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! They're coming! Toothless, these are just me. Chief! Watch out! Chief! Nice! Snorkel nest! Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. You know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when they get you. Oh, not good. Flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the wigwam. And don't forget the dragon. We have enough of those fire breathers around here already.